Hello, I'm Ray, G4NSJ, also from the Radio Workshop. Just a quick video to say thanks to everyone for subscribing to all my videos. I've been putting on a lot of videos recently for the radio amateurs out there, well, and other people interested, shortwave listeners. A lot of videos about the Paraset spy radio I'm building and various other things. That's the replica, by the way. Thanks to everyone who sent me crystals. Got a lot of crystals here, which I shall be sorting out and using on the radio. Thank you to the Radio Workshop viewers who have been subscribing and joining in, sending me photos of radios that they've got, before and after photos, you know, fully restored, which is nice. If it wasn't for people like us restoring this old gear, looking after this old gear, for example, the HRO receiver here, a friend of mine gave me that. It was going to the tip. He said to this chap, "Where's that going?" In the back of his van. He said, "Oh, up the tip." He said, "Can I have it? Thanks, Roy." And this chap said, "Yeah." So Roy gave it to me. Been a lot of work, but it's fully restored and working. The R209. That was scrap. That was going to go up the tip. Marconi CR100. AR88 over there, the old AR88D. If it wasn't for people like us, this stuff wouldn't exist. It would all be up the tip or scrap somewhere. It's the same with military vehicles, people that do up the Willys Jeeps, the American 1940s Jeeps, and all the other vehicles from that era. If it weren't for people like us, they just wouldn't exist. Thanks also to all the newcomers that have subscribed, especially youngsters, because amateur radio, I'm always trying to promote it and push it. You know, it's not something that's fading away, it's still there. But I just feel that youngsters aren't getting involved. But I do have some emails, quite a few actually, from the younger generation, teenagers, 20s, 30s. I say 30s are young because, well, they are compared with me. They're very young. I'm just trying to encourage them, you know, get involved with the hobby, get involved with amateur radio, chat to people around the world. It's a great hobby. And same with the restoring the vintage valve radios, the domestic valve radios, the Radio Workshop side of what I do. Again, if it weren't for people like us, then all these old rabbit hutch type radios, you know, from the 40s that people used to tune around on and listen to Winston Churchill and whatever, they wouldn't be around, would they? They wouldn't exist. So great, thanks to everyone for supporting me, subscribing and the rest of it to my various YouTube channels. Merry Christmas to you all. Let's hope it's a good new year, 2026. Not only radio-wise, but, well, for the whole world-wise. Let's hope it's a bit better. Thanks for watching. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. 7-3 and bye-bye from the south coast of England. Cheers.